won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? 'Cause it's been hard. You know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you, but I'm coming home.
Perdana cukup bagus, kita lihat pun jalan cukup nyaman kita lalui. Pokoknya kalau dibuat perdana cukup puas lah Pak. Sebagai pengunjung kami cukup nyaman, pokoknya puas lah.
Ya, ada harapan sendiri Pak selaku pengunjung terhadap pembenahan danau ini ke depan nih Pak?
Mungkin lebih ditambah wahana wisata macam bebek kayak gitu, kayak di Uleli, mungkin lebih bagus, pokoknya lebih banyak wahana lah Pak, biar kita bisa lebih nyaman lagi di sini.
It's been so hard. I know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home.